Welcome to Denny's Hungry for Education Commencement Celebration. I'm Tunde, your host for tonight. Your graduation may have been canceled, but the celebration goes on. Graduates, tonight, we celebrate you, your achievements, your hard work, your bright future. You're going to hear from some of the folks at Denny's who run the Hungry for Education Scholarship Program.
Well, good evening, class of 2020, and welcome to the Denny's Hungry for Education Commencement Celebration. With the economic impact caused by COVID-19, scholarships are more important than ever. So my congratulations to each of you tonight, and a special shout out to our 61 Denny's 2019 Hungry for Education winners,
as well as some of the partners who helped to make these scholarships possible. You're going to hear from Sizzle Wilkes, who you know from the Old Town Joiner Morning Show. The Howard University Showtime Band will be here to add a little festive flavor. Our commencement speaker is none other than the great Irvin Magic Johnson.
Congratulations to each and every one of you. And thank you to Denny's for inviting me to share in this special occasion for the 2020 Hunger for Education Commencement Celebration.
But the real stars of the show tonight are the graduates and HFE scholarship winners we are recognizing tonight. Graduates, here's what I want you to know. With everything going on in the world right now, it might feel like you're getting lost in the shuffle. But we see you.
We shall overcome. We shall overcome.
And when we see you, we see a bright future.
It's the 2020 Hungry for Education Commencement Celebration.